Tanoia, Átl'ța7tsem Howe.
Captivating and unique. Átl'kä7tsem Howe Sound UNESCO Biosphere Region surrounds one of Canada's most southerly fjords. Coast Salish peoples have cared for these lands and waters for millennia. Here, a rich fabric of life exists between the mountain peaks and ocean floor. More than 5,000 diverse species call the watershed home, including ancient glass sponge reefs, and of course, humans. Our families and communities rely on a delicate balance with nature for safety, well-being, and livelihoods, from food to clean water to recreation and much more. The Átl'kä7tsem watershed provides up to $4.7 billion annually in ecosystem services. But this quality of life is only possible when habitats are healthy. When the fabric of life unravels, much is at risk. Biodiversity loss and climate change threaten our planet. We feel the impacts here in Átl'kä7tsem. It's a stark reminder of how today's actions shape tomorrow. We can look at recent history in Átl'kä7tsem watershed to see what's at stake. Between the 1800s and 1900s, industrialization destroyed habitats and biodiversity in this region. Many people believed Átl'kä7tsem Howe Sound was worth saving. Back then, society didn't understand the value of a thriving ecosystem. But we all know better now. Since the 1970s, advocacy, regulations, and cleanup efforts have led to a fragile recovery in Átl'kä7tsem watershed. Slowly, life is returning. This rebound has inspired a new chapter. It's living proof that we can change things for the better. In 2021, UNESCO designated over 2,000 square kilometers of land and sea in the Átl'kä7tsem watershed as a biosphere region. It became the 19th biosphere region in Canada, the 3rd in British Columbia. So, what is a UNESCO Biosphere Region? There are more than 750 biospheres worldwide, each recognized for its unique biodiversity, natural features, and cultural resources. While they have no legal authority and aren't parks, they play a critical role in finding local solutions to global challenges. Biospheres facilitate research, conservation, and land-based learning. They inspire us to live in harmony with nature. They advocate for sustainable development. All of this work is guided by the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, a plan to solve some of the world's greatest challenges. Our biosphere recognizes the rights of Indigenous peoples whose cultures are deeply rooted in nature. Since time immemorial, Coast Salish peoples have been guardians of the Átl'kä7tsem watershed. Their ongoing stewardship is key to protecting one of the most biodiverse and rich ecosystems in Canada. Our biosphere collaborates with Indigenous peoples to shape the region's future. It's time to ask ourselves what kind of legacy we want to leave future generations, including our descendants. To listen to the wisdom of the land and work together to protect this precious area for generations to come. We must be the voice for the animals, the plants, and all of the species we can and can't see. The Howe Sound Biosphere Region Initiative Society unites local partners to discuss complex issues. We add support to projects that maintain our UNESCO Biosphere designation. Want to get involved? Learn about the biosphere and take action. Let's work together to build a brighter future for Átl'kä7tsem Howe Sound.